y'all what in the actual world. My window was slightly open. Welcome to my channel. As you can see from the first part of the video, it was a little bit much. Like, it was honestly a lot going on. The car vacuum place, it was so many people, I could barely record. So I tried to get as much footage as I could. I got a car wash, I vacuumed my car to the best of my ability. Like I said, it was a lot of people there. It was kind of hectic. So I'm just gonna clean the rest of this bad boy up. My Toyota Camry, if you're wondering what type of car I have a Toyota Camry, gray silver. So let's just get into the video. Car, guys, just want to see what it looks like. This is the inside. Some of the lights on. I did clean it. You can still see these mats need to be cleaned. Oops. Yeah, that's the front. Kind of show you a better close-up of what the front of my car looks like. So it's pretty plain. I kind of like it like that. Simple. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys like a few things that I got from the Dollar Tree. Super inexpensive, just to keep your car clean. I mentioned this earlier, baking soda. This is great. Just spread it around your carpet before you vacuum. By the way, most vacuum areas are free, so air fresheners. Got these ones, and I got this one where you can just put on the floor somewhere. That's great. I got a rag to wipe stuff up. Then I got some car wipes. These are always good. And then I got multi-purpose car cleaner. I've used like 5 bottles of these already. So legit. This is legit how I keep my car clean. Like I like vacuum my car like once a week. Car wash nearly once a week. Sometimes like I go 2 weeks. Oh, also I got this weather protectant. I never used this before, but only $1.25, so not bad. with cleaning my car. Right now, I'm just putting the air fresheners on. It's kind of dark. Yeah. After this, I'm gonna do a little bit of decal. I don't have much left after this. So, another one of my tips is to have more than one air freshener in your car. Air fresheners do not last that long. So, okay, this one is so cool. So, I'm just gonna put this in the back seat underneath one of these seats just a little bit. Okay, job well done. I'm gonna come back to you guys. Want to get the rest of my stuff to zhuzh it out a little bit, but yeah.
Later that same evening.
Okay, a few hours has passed. It's like 6:30 around that time, and my Amazon package finally came. Not much to it, but let me just show you guys, and then I kind of want to show you guys like what I have in my car. So I got wipes. I already have wipes, but you can never have too many wipes. So I got the nice size wipes. And then I got these bedazzled cup holders. So I'm gonna show you the cup holders I have in now. It's zebra print. It's pretty nasty. That's what the cup holder looks like. Very nice, very nice. So we're gonna change it out. You guys are gonna watch me. Let's just flip this camera. Mission complete. I have a lot of quarters in this one. It's gonna take me a little bit to do it, so let's just watch me do it, y'all. I wish I had my okay, so let me show y'all. Oh, let me move the Amazon bag. That's cute. That's pretty much the end of the video. I'm gonna give you a montage at the end of my car, my cleaned car, and like my little detailing I did. I'm putting the coins in a Ziploc bag. Update. I gotta get a coin purse. Definitely will invest. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys stay blessed and stay humble. Love ya. Bye. I forgot, I also got to show you guys my Batmobile sign. I got this a while ago. Hold on. So it's this little thing. I'll link it down below. And it looks so much cooler in the night. Yeah. And honestly, it actually turns on by itself when I open the car door. Sometimes I have to press it. It's so nice. Like, I even have more pictures. When it's dark, I'll show up somewhere in the screen.